Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Bluetooth pairing problems, how to clear Bluetooth cache, and how can you reset Bluetooth settings on Samsung Android phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Go to the settings of your phone. Find out apps. Some of other devices it's called app management or apps and notifications. Whatever it is, tap on it. Tap here and select show system apps. Tap OK. For some of the devices you have to tap on 3 dots. Then select show system apps. Now search for Bluetooth. Tap on it. Tap on force stop, then tap OK. Tap on storage. Clear the cache and clear the data. Tap OK. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. This is how you can easily clear the cache of your Bluetooth or reset Bluetooth on your Android device. There is another way to reset Bluetooth settings on your phone. Method number 2. Go to settings. Search for reset here. Tap on reset. Tap on reset or reset settings. Now tap on reset network settings. Tap on reset settings or reset. Unlock your phone and tap on reset. This is how you can easily reset the Bluetooth settings on your phone and fix all kind of Bluetooth issue of your Android phone. That's it. Thanks for watching.